In this quick video, I will show you how to buy REEF Crypto step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and log in using your Binance account. The second step is to choose any of these payment options to buy BUSD. But these payment options will differ according to your currencies. So let's say I'm gonna use USD, and you can see this. But since I'm in Philippines, I will choose PHP. But I'm just gonna focus on P2P trading. But if you want to use credit or debit card, you will need your card. For example, I want to spend 10,000 worth of ETH. Let's continue here, and you can see here you can add new card, but I don't have a card right now, so there's no card here. If you want to choose cash balance, you're gonna need any of these currencies to receive any of these tokens. And if you want to choose third-party payment, you can pay with Google Pay, Simplex, or Bangsa if you are in Philippines. But if you're in other country, then the payment options will be different. And now let's go to P2P trading. Now click BUSD here, and you can see the amount here. You can type the amount, your fiat, your payment options. You can choose any payment options and the available regions. So let's say I want to spend 5,000 PHP, and I'm just gonna leave the payment here and the region and the fiat, and click BUSD and click buy BUSD and type the amount you want to pay. And you can see here the amount of and you can see here the equivalent amount of BUSD, which is 89 BUSD. Now once you have bought BUSD, go to your wallet and check if your BUSD is in fiat and spot. And now after you check it, you can now go to markets. You can search your coin by typing REEF and click here. Then it will lead you to this website. Now you can type the amount of BUSD here, for example 89 BUSD, and then I will receive 30,396.1 REEF, and click buy here. And once you have bought REEF, you can now go to your wallet and check if your REEF is in fiat and spot. You can search the coin by typing REEF, and once you have checked it that your REEF is in your wallet, then you are good to go. If you have any questions about how to buy REEF Crypto, comment down below.